how to unblock any T-Mobile phone for any cell phone carrier. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. You might be in a situation where you've got a T-Mobile phone and you're trying to figure out how to unlock it so it works with any carrier. The good news is that T-Mobile actually offers a few straightforward ways to get this done, whether you're using an iPhone, Samsung, Google Pixel, or any other supported device. So before you start, there are some requirements you need to meet. The phone must be originally sold by T-Mobile. It can't be reported as lost or stolen. Your account must be in good standing. For postpaid accounts, the device must have been active on T-Mobile network for at least 40 days on the line you want to unlock. For prepaid accounts, the device must have been active for at least 365 days. Once you've met the requirements, there are a few ways to request the unlock. Through the T-Mobile website, log into your account, head over to your device settings or account panel and find the unlock button. Or you can also do it using the T-Mobile app. Download the app, sign in and follow the prompts to unlock your device. Or you can also do by calling T-Mobile support. So contact their customer service, provide your details and they can process the unlock for you. So as long as your account is in good standing and the device isn't flagged as lost or stolen, you should have no issues getting it unlocked. That's all there is to it. If you've got any questions or run into problems, drop them in the comments. So don't forget to hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.